this video, we will try to upload the theme that we have downloaded in the previous video. So for that, we will go to the dashboard and here we will go to the theme option. Now here in the customize option, if we click on this drop down option, there are multiple options you can see. Here's the option called backup, restore, switch to first generation classic theme and edit HTML. So if we click on the edit HTML, so if you know how to code, if you're a developer, from here only you can do the coding and customize everything according to your need. So after customizing, you need to simply click on the save option and your work will be saved. And here's the option for backup. So this is the option to backup your website. So if I click here and download, so it will download your website content in XML file. So whenever while uploading the theme, if we mess up anything, so this XML file we need to restore from this restore option. So everything that we have uh, downloaded as a backup, it will again upload in the website. And there is the option called switch to first generation classic theme. So if we click here, it will again use the default blogger template. So to upload the theme that we have downloaded, we will click on restore option. So I will click here and here we will click on upload, and from our system we will select theme. After selecting the theme, it will restore the theme. So once the theme will be restored, we will again go to preview mode of the website, so we can check if it is uploaded or not. For that, right now I will click on this refresh option and let's see if our theme is uploaded or not. And yes, our theme is uploaded. So this is how the theme will look. So in the next video, we will try to do some customization on this theme, and yeah, we will try to change this navigation also. So see you in the next video.